Well, I thought I'd show you guys the my problem. I fixed it. Oh. Reverse, neutral, drive, 3, 2, 1. Yep. That's right, everything works now. And you guys might ask, how did he fix the problem? I'll show you. Junk. Neutral safety switch. Yep. Neutral safety switch. No good. Wasn't making it proper contact. Yep. Junk. Throw this thing out. Got Corvair. Oh, what I was going to show you. Yeah, let me go turn this radio down. You guys are going to have to excuse me for a second. It's going to get kind of loud. I'm going to show you something pretty cool in a minute. Hold on.
No haggle, no hassle pricing. $99 over dealer cost on any in-stock Toyota. College grad and military.
Let's see. What channel? Hey, Radio Wild, what do you think of my Pioneer stereo receiver model? Get some light. Model SX650. What do you think of my radio? Radio Wild? Pioneer. They're good. Alright, well. I was gonna show you. Oh! Almost dropped the camera. Not a good thing. Oh, shut up, you stupid dog. Hey. Got Trailblazer SS rims. Yep. I'll polish them up today and not gonna put them on just yet. I'll probably put them on next week or something. I got a lug nut here. Got a Popular Mechanic. Yep. Got Corvair. I don't think I'm gonna uncover that today. I'm not gonna get around to it. Put a mechanic in there so I won't lose it. Put that in there. If any of you guys have any Trailblazers, I have a 2003 service manual that I bought originally for my truck. Park neutral position switch replacement. Tools required. We don't need no stinking tools. It tells you how to do everything. Everything. What was this? Oh yeah. Let's see. If you want service manuals, dial 1-800-782-4356. HelmInc.com. Checking fan clutches and stuff. Oh yeah. See? Top of the engine. Got a V8 or inline. I got the inline in this. A little bit stronger than the V8s because you got more head work. Oh yeah. Yeah. Valve seat removal tool. Ooh. Oh boy. I'll do everything in there. So let's see. I gotta bring this back, and it was a nice day today. What I'm gonna do is polish my rims over there. And coated. Polish my rims. Put them away. And, excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. Put them away. I'll probably polish my chrome tips on this puppy. They're dirty. They're really dirty. Sunny out. A little chilly though. Oh yeah. Yep, they need a good cleaning. So I'll polish those puppies up. I dropped my pistons off today. I'll probably pick up my flywheel and pressure plate assembly over at this other machine shop and bring it to somebody that knows what they're doing. So I don't feel like getting gypped. Yep. I'll polish right up. Alright guys, I got work to do. See ya.